Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to BMW. The 5, the new BMW 5 Series Sedan and Touring. This is the redesigned 7th generation of our business athlete, by new and striking design features, as well as a new selection of BMW individual exterior colors. We are giving this model a stronger and more modern character. In short, more presence, more expression, and hence clearly more modern. To achieve this, we redesigned the entire front appearance of the 5. The new double kidney is now wider and more distinctive with a way sharper contour. Definitely a highlight of the 5 are the brand new BMW laser light headlights that give the car a more focused and yet more contemporary look. As we believe in the different individual characters of our customers, we want to offer the 5 in 2 flavors as well. The 5 Series Sedan over here shows the plug-in hybrid version with our M Sport package. It has been completely redesigned to emphasize the rather expressive character of the 5. At the same time, it is strongly differentiating from the base model with its elegant and luxury flair. The car's profile is keeping its luxurious and yet dynamic appearance with precise lines and clear surfaces. Distinct wheel arches frame the newly designed 20-inch BMW individual rims. The rear's eye-catcher definitely is the brand new light graphic. The classic L shape of the taillights is executed in a bold and modern way while it emerges from the body in a 3-dimensional form. Blackened areas build a strong contrast, emphasizing the graphical high-tech look. The new rear apron of the M Sport package with its generous surfaces and structuring sharp lines refers to the confident and expressive front of the 5. Integrated within the diffuser, we are now offering free-form exhaust pipes as standard equipment for every model. Of course, we have also applied these design highlights to our 5 Series Touring. This model right next to me shows our luxury line. It clearly differentiates from the M Sport package. The front bumper is distinguished by clear, milled-off surfaces and prominent details like the framed vertical air intakes towards the side. Another highlight of the 5 Series I am especially proud of are the 20-inch Air Performance wheels. Not only standing out in extraordinary design, but lightweight and aero-efficient at the same time. The base of the rim is an alloy lightweight structure with additional inserts that can be customized. On this specific 5 Series, featured as an elegant BMW individual trim. The elegant aesthetic of the rear apron is underlined through a horizontal galvanized accent trim. Analog to the 5 Series Sedan, the rear also features our new 3D LED taillights. The modern but yet luxurious interior still convinces with clean surfaces and of course high-quality materials, especially for a comfortable traveling experience. The fully digital instrument cluster with the bigger new control display offers now an even better UI experience. Ladies and gentlemen, the 5 stands as always for presence, dynamic and modernity. Stay with us for more insights into the digital world of the new 5 Series from Peter Hendrich. Thank you.